Welcome to my video on the TV show maker that generates income in 2020. In a moment, I'm going to show you exactly how to access our TV show maker. But first, I want to tell you what else we're going to cover in this video, what else you need to know. We're going to talk about Roku versus Amazon Fire TV versus Apple TV. And then we're going to introduce you to the TV show maker that generates income in 2020. All right, let's get started. Okay, just a quick review of our previous video. Roku channels grow way faster than YouTube channels. You can get more subscribers and more loyal followers. And compared to conventional TV or cable TV, it's pennies on the dollar to get started. Now, what about Roku versus Amazon TV and Apple TV? For instance, on Roku, you can monetize your channel. It has a much bigger subscriber base, almost 4 times bigger than Apple TV and 2.5 times bigger than Amazon Fire TV. And you can control your own ad space on your Roku channel, which is huge. In fact, on Roku, you can monetize your own TV channel as well. That's right. You control the ad stream and you can monetize the actual TV shows, something you cannot do with YouTube, Amazon Fire, or Apple TV. It's huge, guys. Amazon Fire, in addition, and Apple TV, for that matter, will close down your channel if there's an issue, if there's a copyright complaint. Both of them can ask you if you have the rights to copyrights of different aspects of your shows, the content, the channel name, or anything else. They can and do ask for written proof and consent. And in the meantime, your channel is down. So that's not the case with Roku. With Roku, if there's a complaint, they just notify you and your channel continues running and you have a chance to address it, right? So where then is the TV show maker that generates an income for you in 2020? It's TV Channel Pros. You can book a call with our professionals to get started. So call today, guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of further content that we have coming up. If you have a comment or questions, please place them down below. I'd be glad to address them for you. And in the next video, I'm going to share with you this topic, make TV shows in 2020, even if you're technologically challenged. How can you do that? I'll see you in the next video.